Hi students, welcome to Establish Reasons for a Complaint. Today we are going to check some phrases to express reason in a complaint. When we make complaints of products, workers would like to know the reasons for your complaint. So, today we are going to check how to explain the reasons for your complaints. We are going to follow a sequence. The first thing you have to do is to identify how did you get the product. We have here some phrases that will help you to express how did you get your product. For example, I got myself this book, but I bought this milk yesterday, but I ordered a beef stew, but I acquired these earphones in your store last Friday, but I purchased this t-shirt 2 days ago, but this is how did you get the product. Those are some verbs that you can use in order to express how did you get the products. Then you have to describe how is the product, what is the condition of the product. Could be a good reason to make your complaint. We have here two examples. The number one is the camera is broken. So broken is the condition. Or also we have the phone does not work is another condition. And finally we establish the reasons of our complaints. For example, we have here some earphones, and the expression could be I bought these earphones, but they did not work. You are establishing the reasons of your complaint and where or how did you get the product. It is important to present the evidence when you establish the reasons. It is your turn to express the reasons for your complaint. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next class.